What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the penguin from Batman. Let's get started by drawing in the left eye. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go over towards the left side, curve the brow going up, and then out towards the left. Now on the inside we're just going to curl up the brow, coming in and up. And then we'll tuck the eye in underneath the brow. On the left side we'll step in, draw a half circle, coming all the way around towards the bottom. Just pull that up on the inside. And then we'll add a small highlight circle on the left side of the eye. So up against the edge of the eye, drawing a small circle coming in, and then back out. And it'll fill the inside of the eye in black. Now we're going to move over and draw a large circle for the monocle. So we're going to line up the top of the brow, over on the right side, come all the way down towards the bottom of the circle, and then back up towards the top. And then we'll line up the inside of the brow over on the right side, curve in, and then up. Now let's draw on the nose. We're going to move to the center, step down, start with a point. Then from here we're going to curve out and up towards the left. Go back to the center, curve up and out towards right, in behind the monocle. Now we're going to step up and draw a short curve, going up and down for the bridge of the nose. And now we're going to move down and draw on the mouth. Start back on the left, curve up, and then down. And then we'll add a bracket around the outside corners of the mouth. Starting on the left, curve out and then in. Let's move to the center, step down, draw a short line going across for the lower lip. Let's move down and draw on the chin. From the left side of the mouth, we're going to step out, curve the chin, coming down, around, and then back up. Now we're going to tuck the cheeks in underneath the chin. Starting on the outside of the left eye, step out, curve down, and then bend that in behind the chin. Let's line this up on the right. Let's go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat brim. We start all the way over on the left side, curve down just above the eyes, round this out, and then go back up on the right. And we'll curve the brim coming back in. On the left, go around, and back in. And we'll follow that same curve along the top, starting on the left, and down the middle, and pull that back up on the right. Now I'm going to go back down and tuck the head in underneath the hat brim. Starting on the left, curve out, and then up. Go back to the bottom, curve the edge of the hairline, going up and then in. Let's add in the ears. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve the ear going up, down, and then in towards the side of the head. And then we'll add the folds inside the ear. Starting back on the inside, curve up and then out. Go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Let's line up the side of the hat with the outside edge of the head. So starting on the left, step up above the brim. Just going to angle up and then out. Go over towards the right side, and go up towards the same height. Let's close off the top with a curve. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up, and then bend that back down. Let's add a band across the bottom of the hat. Starting back on the left, draw a straight line going all the way across. Then go back and add a fold along the inside edge of the left eye. Starting from the inside, come down, and then bend that out. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the bow tie. We're going to start underneath the chin in the center, start with a half circle, come down and then up, and then from the bottom, you can go down and out towards either side, and then we'll round out the side of the bow tie, going out and then up underneath the chin. And then from the outside of the bow tie, we'll draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the coat, right about there. And then we'll add a thick collar around the outside, starting underneath the left cheek, curve out, down and then in, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. I'm just going to bend the collar coming in and then down. Let's go over towards the left side, curve the coat, going out and then up on the side. And we'll go straight up and then bend that back in underneath the collar. Go up and then bend that in. Let's move to the center and draw on the vest. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a point. From here we're going to curve out and then up towards the left and right side. Let's go back to the center, draw a short line coming down, curve down and out toward the left and right side. Let's go back and add the outside edge of the vest collar. Starting from the middle, go out and up on either side. And we'll add 2 buttons on the right. One circle along the top and one along the bottom. Go to the center of the bow tie, draw a straight line coming down towards the vest. Now I'm going to add a curve in between the bottom of the coat. Starting on the left, go up and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. And then going back to the left side, let's round out the top of the foot. And go up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's move back up and draw the outside of the leg. From the bottom corner of the coat, we're going to step in, come straight down, and then bend that in on top of the foot. Now we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the umbrella. We're going to start from the side of the collar, curve down, and then out towards the wrist, and then we'll curl around the thumb. We go up, bend this down, round out the tip of the thumb, and pull that back up. Now we're going to curl 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, come down to the bottom, do that again, tuck this up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's curve the handle along the top. Starting from the top of the finger, we go up, then bend this down, round out the bottom, going back up. I'm just going to follow that same curve around the outside, and then back down in behind the thumb. Let's go to the bottom of the finger, step down and add a curve, from left to right, and down and up. And from the outside, we'll do that again, and down and up on both sides. And we'll curve the umbrella coming down and then in, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start with the left. Come down, then that in. And the same thing on the right. Close off the bottom with a straight line. And then from the bottom corners of the umbrella, draw 2 short lines coming down. Close this off with a straight line. Let's finish off the umbrella underneath the hand. We're going to start on the side, draw 2 straight lines coming down. Let's go back to the inside point, curve down, and then in towards the bottom. Now we're going to go back up to the wrist, curve the hand coming in, down, and then out in behind the umbrella. Step up, curve the arm coming in and up behind the body. I'm also going to add the edge of the cuff. From the wrist, step in, just follow that same curve, coming in and then down. Now I'm going to draw the right arm tucked in behind the body. So let's line up the top of the arm, over on the right, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow, come down, and then in behind the body. Now halfway along the side of the body, curve the arm coming up, and then down, aiming towards the elbow. And that's pretty much it. There's the penguin from Batman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.